second time over here.
Okay, this is hurricane day. We just got hit by a little mini tornado and we lost power in the house. Some trees fell and now we're out going to see if we can get some food because we lost power. So it's starting to rain here. So we're heading to, where is it that we're heading to? Newburgh, and right now it's even darker over here, so, and there's a lot of places without power, so I don't know what we're gonna find, but I hope it doesn't start while we're on the road, at least after we're parked. So anyway, so it's very dark, as you can see, it's very dark. And the traffic lights, some of them are functioning and some of them are not. Let me see. No, not through there. I think the other side. See, some places have electricity. I went in that plaza one time. I don't remember how I got up.
Bubba said that the Chinese food there, they do it like they used to do it the old way, where they do the eggs in it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. That's what he told me.
Oh, like the fried rice with eggs inside.
Eggs in it. Yeah,
yummy.
That's what he told me.
Yeah, that's the old style, and everything old is gone. They don't do anything. Where are we? Pizza? Or what's here? Let me see. Look, Charlie's Angel Salon. And then, what else do we have? Happy Garden, Empire Dance, Pizza Mia. That's all there is. Well, they do have electricity here, so maybe we're better off. Wow, look, the pizzeria is full too.
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
You wanna, let me just park over here. Let's get out and go real quick.
Okay, so we're gonna go eat pizza and we'll see if when we get home the electricity, the power's back on.
What?
Whatever, doesn't matter to me. Okay, bye people.